How to know if a girl only wants sex from you? So, according to me, what I have really seen in the last few years is when a girl is more attracted towards you and emotionally involved with you, she'll try to spend a lot of time with you. But when you will see a girl, probably who is just interested in more a casual scenario with you, what will really happen is she'll try to spend some time with you, but at the same time, you'll see her engaged in herself a lot more than you will see somebody who is involved with you. तो मोस्टली ऐसा होता है कि अगर मैं किसी बंदे के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा हूँ तो वो बंदी मेरे साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रही है या फिर जो चीजें मैं कर रहा हूँ उसमें वो बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड है। लेकिन अगर कोई बंदी सिर्फ एक कैजुअल सिनेरियो में इन्वॉल्व है तो तुम उसको देखोगे कि she'll come and sit with you, she'll do some little sort of things with you together, but at the same time you'll see that she's spending a lot of time on herself, on her phone, while even she is with you, she's talking to her friends. So one thing that really matters here is that how much she is really involving you with her friends or with her surrounding, and how much she is really trying to put efforts to make you understand that you are part of her. But at the same time, if you don't see that happening a lot, you have to understand and convey your emotions that you don't have to involve that much with the girl like that, because she is living her own life at the same time while she is with you, while you are putting all your things into that same girl. You don't have to do that. What you can really do is you can do a lot of things other than just being with this girl. You can have friends, you can go for outings, you can involve yourself in going out to new places on your own at times, and you will have to add some new skills to your own self that will make you happy. And this is how, first thing, that you will understand that how much actually she is involved into you, or she just really wants sex from you. If she just really wants sex from you after a long day at different places, she's spending her whole time with her friends, with her buddies or somebody like that, and then she'll come to you at the end of the day, right? So that conveys that what she really wants you for is just a normal casual relationship. If you think that you are getting too much attached to her, you should start making a life not just around her but other than her as well, as she has her own life other than you.